Hello all, welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this channel, you get the videos related to Telangana history, Telangana geography, Telangana current affairs. And thank you for subscribing the channel, and if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed till now, please do subscribe for more videos related to Tspsc exams. Without late, let's get into our video Political History of Ikshvaku Rulers. In the last video in the Ikshvaku Dynasty, I have explained about the introduction of Ikshvaku Dynasty. Let's continue the video. Vasisthaputra Sri Shantamula. He is the founder of Ikshvaku Dynasty. As I said earlier, he defeated the last ruler of Shatavahanas and established the dynasty Ikshvaku, and he patronized Vedic religion. Please do comment which religions Shatavahanas have patronized. And he worshipped Kartikeya, Mahasena Virupaksha Subramanya Swami. He reconstructed the entrance of Sri Shailam at Eleshwaram. Where the Sri Shailam is present? In Nagarjunakonda. The other name of Nagarjunakonda is what? Please do comment. Next, titles of Vasisthaputra Sri Shantamula are Dakshina Padapati, Mahadanapati, Shatasahasrahalaka, Mahadanapati, Dakshina Padapati. Next, he performed Ashwamedha, Vajpeya, Rajasuya, Agnistoma and Agniyotra yagas for the welfare of kingdom. And he maintained matrimonial alliances with his feudatories, and by this he expanded his kingdom. And the inscriptions of Vasisthaputra Sri Shantamula are found at Rentella, Kesanapalli and Dachepalli. His inscriptions were found at Rentella, Kesanapalli, Dachepalli. And the inscriptions related to Ikshvakus I'll do in the separate video. Next, Vasisthaputra Sri Shantamula have two sisters, Shantasri, Hamyasri, and his son is Veerapurusha. After Vasisthaputra Sri Shantamula, Veerapurusha ruled Ikshvaku dynasty, and he is the greatest of all Ikshvaku rulers. And his titles are Dakshina Ashoka and Ikshvaka Ashoka. Veerapurusha titles are Dakshina Ashoka, Ikshvaka Ashoka. Same like his father, initially he patronized Vedic religion. Vasisthaputra Sri Shantamula patronized Vedic religion, and even Veerapurusha also patronized Vedic religion. But by the influence of Shantasri. Who is Shantasri? Shantasri is the sister of Vasisthaputra Sri Shantamula. By influence of her aunt, he embraced Buddhism. And Veerapurusha is the only ruler in Ikshvakus who patronized Buddhism. During his period, Nagarjunakonda became popular as Southern Gaya. He established Sri Parvata University, who Veerapurusha established Sri Parvata University, and this is the first Buddhist university in India. That's it for this video. I'll continue the remaining part of Ikshvaku rulers in the next coming videos. I have already made videos on Shatavahana dynasty, Godavari river system, and the last 2 weeks of Telangana current affairs videos, and also titles of eminent persons related to Telangana and the important days in Telangana. If you haven't watched those videos, please go once and watch them. You'll get a very clear idea about them. Thank you.